Hello friends, fellow sightseers and road trippers. We're continuing our week-long adventure here in beautiful Palawan. If you've seen our previous episodes, you know we started with a spectacular road trip to El Nido and wrapped it up with an unforgettable island hopping experience. That was amazing, but today, we're switching gears. We're back in Puerto Princesa and heading out to one of Palawan's most iconic natural wonders, the Underground River, also known as the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River, located inside the Subterranean River National Park. We're driving there in our rented car, which means no rushing. Just open roads, coastal views, stretches of greenery, and small towns that remind you how laid-back life is out here. The scenery slowly changes as we leave the city, more trees, fewer buildings, and that feeling that you're heading somewhere special. The drive itself is part of the experience. You pass quiet villages, roadside coconut trees, and glimpses of the sea before the road leads you deeper into nature. It's the kind of journey where you roll the windows down, take your time, and just enjoy the ride. And before we even reach the park, you can already feel it, this place is different. The wide main road was replaced by thick forest, towering trees, and mountain peaks rising quietly around us. It's one of those drives where you instinctively slow down, not because you have to, but because the scenery demands it. The road winds through a lush, almost jungle-like landscape, with glimpses of limestone formations peeking through the greenery, reminding us that we're heading somewhere special. By the time we reach the gateway to the park, the atmosphere has completely changed, cooler, calmer, and unmistakably wild. As we arrive at the small port where the tour begins, we're welcomed by a charming little church standing peacefully by the water. We stop for a quick peek inside, taking in the quiet moment before the adventure ahead. It's a simple but beautiful scene, and a gentle reminder of how nature, history, and local life come together here in Puerto Princesa. It started raining just as we were boarding the boat, but instead of dampening the mood, it only added to the ambience of what we were about to experience. This time, we decided to rent a private boat instead of joining a group. We were really looking forward to the tour inside the cave and wanted the experience to feel more personal and immersive. The cave entrance is just a short walk from the beach, passing through a thick canopy of trees. Wildlife is all around. You can hear birds chirping overhead and the occasional call of macaques in the distance. If you're lucky, they might even make an appearance and come a little closer. Before boarding, we were issued protective helmets and earphones for the synchronized narration of the tour, then assigned to our boat. Ready to begin our journey into the Underground River.
Ha? Bakit? Hindi ba? O nga eh. Ang problema. Okay naman po kasi kayo lang talaga kasi.
As we enter the cave, the light slowly fades and the outside world disappears behind us. The air turns cooler, the echoes grow louder, and massive rock formations begin to emerge from the darkness, shaped by nature over thousands of years. Stalactites hang overhead, stalagmites rise from the water below, and the silence is broken only by the sound of the river and the occasional flutter of bats. From here on, we'll let the cave speak for itself.
nagsulat na dito. Oh. Meron nang nagsulat. Bira. Oh wow. Sa big stalagmites. Oh. Stalagmites. Yun, angel formation. Oh. Yun, tinuro ni Kuya. Angel formation. Wow. Yun, white horse. Peanut. Hello. Oh, a bunch of carrots. Mga guano, oh. Ang dami.
Huh?
Mga guano. Pero, oh,
Oh,
that's scary. Look at that. Oh,
oh
wow.
my God.
Oh.
Ew. Baka may lumabas dito, kuya.
Wala po yan. Keep your mouth closed. Look at that. Mga drafting ano. Yung mga dropping the water mo. Droplets of water.
Thank you, Richard.
Good job.
Good job.
Thank you. Thank
Wala
you.
naman. Ang dami namin natutunan.
Oo. Dami namin natutunan.
Hindi pa rin sila nakakasakay.
Yan yung mga lumilipad po ng mga ibon po yan, ha?
Oo.
Yan yung balin sa sayaw.
Ah.
Yung kanilang tubad, yun yung
Yung kinaka...
nagawang nido song.
Yung, oo. Bird nest soup ang tawag nila. Yun ba yun? Marami sa yun yan sa loob?
Kasi marami po siya doon. Kaso bawal po.
Oo, siyempre.
That's all we have for now for this video of the amazing underground river. We'll leave links to the other videos from our Palawan series in the description below. If you found this video helpful or entertaining in any way, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. You most likely know the drill. Happy travels and sightseeing. Hope to see you on the next one. And the one after that.
Pinabuhisan ako dun sa ano.